On number 35, we're going to be using our logarithm rules. And I'm first going to write this cubed root as being raised to the 1/3 power. So that's going to equal log base b of a squared over 8b to the 4th being raised to the 1/3 power. And then I can use my power rule, which says that that entire argument's being raised to the 1/3 power. I can move the 1/3 out front, make it a product of 1/3 times log base b of a squared over 8b to the 4th. And then let's use our quotient rule. So that would be 1/3. And as I break this apart, that 1/3 is going to be multiplied by anything that I break apart in this argument. So it's 1/3 times, I've got log base b of a squared minus, using the quotient rule, log base b of that entire 8b to the 4th. And then I'm going to continue to copy down that 1/3. Be careful not to leave it off. I'm going to again use the power rule, which would bring the 2 out front. So 2 times log base b of a minus, and actually on this one, as I separate it, this is a product, so I'm going to have to use the product rule. So that would be minus log base b of 8. Product rule would be plus, sorry, that looks like a 4, plus log base b to the 4th. And a couple of things we'll want to do here. We're going to distribute that negative, and then also the value of this log base b to the 4th is going to be 4, so we'll replace that. So that's 1/3 times 2 log base b a minus log base b of 8, distribute the negative, minus, and remember that this value is 4. And then the last step will be to distribute that 1/3, because we are asked on this one to write it as sums and differences and multiples of logarithms. So we want to distribute that 1/3, which should give me 2/3 log base b a minus 1/3 log base b of 8 minus 4/3.